Hi, you are watching Tech Today, and this is another Microsoft Excel self-learning module. You can subscribe this channel to enhance your learnings on Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel. Link of my previous videos are given in the description below. You can access them anytime. In this session, I will cover very important and very oftenly used functions in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started with today's session. Now another important trick which can save you a lot of time. If you need to change alphabet type or the character type from small to capital or capital to small, you can use a simple function. Just focus here. So go to any cell. In any cell write equal to. For capital letters write upper UPPER bracket open. Select the cell for which you want to change the character type and close the brackets and hit enter. See, you have got the name in capital letters now. You can do it for the entire sentence also. Now, to change it to small letters, use the same function equal to, type lower LOWER like this, bracket open, select the cell which you want to change, bracket close and enter. See, you have got the word in the small letter. Like this, you can just copy paste the formula to replicate for other cells also. And in case you just want to start a word with a capital letter, use function proper in place of lower or upper. Your word will start with a capital letter and rest of the letters will be small. Let's move to the next topic. In a scenario, if you want to start a serial number with 0, how you can do that? So if you want to do it normally, it is not possible in Excel, as the Excel removes 0 by default. Like this, I am trying to type 01, 02, 03, but the Excel is removing 0 by default. To be able to start your number with a 0, you need to click apostrophe sign on the keyboard like this, and then you start your number. So I have entered this sign and I'm writing 01, and see, now it is not removing 0. Similarly, you can write this sign 02, 03 and so on. So that's how you will be able to start your numbers with 0. So what's the next step? On the status bar, there are a lot many information which can come handy for you. To enable these information, right click anywhere on this bottom status bar. You get these many options like sum, maximum, average, minimum. You just need to check all these informations and now select any range, column or row, as I'm doing here on the sign subject column, which has numeric values. On the status bar, we are getting average of the selected cells, count of the values, minimum, maximum and sum of the selected cells. Isn't these information handy? Yes, these are. So if you will select any text field, you will get only count of the cells. Let's learn another new function which is called validation. The function validation is used to create list of values, or you can also say list of selection criteria. You can create a field where you need not to mention anything manually. You can just create a drill down option and users can select those options. It minimizes the error chances. So let's learn this. So for example, let's copy few headers here like this and arrange this in particular order using cut and insert column option like this. So let's make list for selection for class teachers and class sections. To do that, select a cell where you want to create the list, then go to data tab. Within data tab, go to the data validation. We get this window. In the first field, out of these options, select list instead of any value. Then in the next field, select the source or select the range where your values exist for list creation. So in this case, we will select section information and click OK. Just see here. Now we are getting drill downs of section names and we can't enter any value manually. We will get this error. Now similarly, we can create this list of values for class teachers. Again go to data tab, go to data validation. You will get this window. In the first field, select list instead of any value. And in the second option, select the range which you want to use for list creation like this and click OK. Here we have got our list of values. Please note, the list of values we use for data validation has to be on the same sheet of the Excel, and it is recommended to keep it at extreme bottom right side of the sheet, because if these values got deleted by mistake, you will not get the option in the drill downs. So to move these cells in the extreme right bottom of the sheet, just cut these cells and go to the extreme right bottom and paste it. It will not change anything. See, you are still getting your list of values here or the drill downs here. Let's learn another important thing, which is called remove duplicates. So select a column where you want to apply this function and where you think there could be duplicate entries. Go to Data tab and select this option called remove duplicates, and see, all the duplicate entries have been removed and now only unique names are there. It says that total 234 duplicate entries have been removed and 6 unique value remain, including the header. So that's it in this video, guys. I will keep on bringing tips and tricks on Microsoft Office. Please share your views in the comment section. If you need a video on a specific subject, you can also mention that in comment section. Please subscribe this channel, like this video if you have really liked it, and share. I will be back with the next session soon on Microsoft Excel to enhance your knowledge. Thanks for watching.